How to make chocolate brownies. Hi, I'm Thomas and this is
Lorenzo, and we are going to show you how to make chocolate brownies.
First, the ingredients. We used a cup like this to measure the ingredients.
2 cups chocolate pieces.
1 cup of butter cut into cubes.
1¼ cups of flour.
1 cup of sugar.
4 eggs.
2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Let's get started.
Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius.
Melt the chocolate with the butter in the microwave.
Microwave for 2 minutes and then remove and stir.
Add the melted mixture to a large bowl.
Stir in the flour. Sugar. 4 eggs. Be careful that the eggshell don't fall into the bowl. Baking powder.
Blend all ingredients using a fork until the mixture is smooth.
Spread the mixture evenly in a rectangular shaped buttered pan, 33 centimeters by 23 centimeters. Lorenzo, pass me the spatula. Delicious!
Bake for 30 minutes in the oven. After 30 minutes, remove from the oven.
Mmm! You cannot powdered sugar. Enjoy.
Enjoy.